Your job as a facilitator is to prove that you understand and acknowledge their exact wants and needs, because they are telling you they want the blue cup, they want the hot water, they want the, big bite, whatever. They're telling you with their behavior. And the first job is to prove that you understand them and acknowledge their exact wants and needs. And then you respond, right? Because you have to be like the algorithm and respond by teaching them the boundaries and rules of the system in a win-win situation. Because if it's all just a dictatorship, they're going to hack you, right? So my workbook has all of the tools you need to facilitate the shift from hack behavior into speech. And I welcome you to look in the description box to find the link where you can access this book, because the documentation, see, this is how you're going to do it. How does the algorithm work? It collects data